guys, back to my video. Today I have my grandma here. Oh, we're gonna make cupcakes and a cake. Okay. One. Ugh. It's hard. My nails are so short, I can't even do it. Yellow again. I got 2 yellows in there already. So that's what it looks like. This is what it looks like, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. And okay, so it splattered everywhere. And okay, so I already took it off. And those are the platters. And do this. Look at me. You really have to do this. Okay, guys, so because Kaysen did too. And I did all the rest of them. I kind of did these ones, but these ones are already dry. Mama, can I try to lick that?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's good.
Have to wait 20 minutes. See how they do.
20 minutes. Oh, we're putting the cake in there too? Okay, we're gonna put them in both times. Guys, give me a big thumbs up. Just a little reminder, okay? Give this video a big... Okay, I'm gonna count down to 5. I have 5 seconds to do it, okay? Let me do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 0. Hope you guys did this. So, I'm going to set you guys right here so you guys can see what we're going to be doing. Let me move this. So, I'm going to put the whipped cream on mine. And I'm just going to spread it everywhere that I want it. Chill. It's so good. Oh my god, I'm making some off. Holy moly. This is not good. This does not look good at all. Okay. Kaysen's gonna have some, I guess. Well, maybe we're gonna. Oh my god, looks kind of good. Good. Then I'm gonna put my salt, and then Kaysen's turn is gonna come up. Okay. Kaysen kind of works on his. I'm scared. I don't want to do too much of a mess.
Done. You're gonna hold this. Grab it like that. And you're gonna put, yes, and you're gonna put the weight.
Oh my god, that's a lot. I'm just gonna put more and more. I just want to make it all Christmassy. Da, 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 da. This is what it looks like. It looks so Christmassy. Plus, it's like so Christmas timey. Look at Kaysen's. Yeah, it looks kind of good. Here. You guys, please subscribe to this video. I love you, and I think you're the bestest too. And thumbs up and subscription down below. You hit that and hit the notification bell to be your #1 fan. And I love you guys. You guys are the bestest.